Okay, so we're going to add a little bit more detail on our model here. I want to create, instead of just using texturing to create this kind of endpoints, I'm going to add more edges to my model, and we're going to do it that way. So I'm going to go to my favorite tool, Mesh Tools, and Insert Edge Loop. And I'm going to go ahead and just create a couple edge loops here. This one doesn't have to be accurate because this is going to be pieces of wood, and if it looks too accurate, then it won't look realistic as a piece of wood. Okay, something like that. And then we'll go to this object. If I hit, once again, middle mouse click on Mesh Tools, then I'll get the multi-cut tool back again. So what about there? And then at the top, I want a couple of them. So just want to add some interesting detail here on my model. Maybe like that. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to take and I want to extrude them, but I want to extrude them in reverse. So I'll go to face mode. I'll select all the polys that I want to give a little more detail to. Control E, and I'll just take them down ever so much, just barely anything. I'm just adding a little bit of depth detail to my model. I want to do the same thing right here. Just going to Control E and take those in ever so much. And then down here, going to do the same thing. Just adding a little bit more detail. Is this necessary? Probably not, but what I am going for on this game is a fairly realistic game. So me putting in a little extra effort isn't going to hurt me at all. It just takes a little more time, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Now, I think the last thing we need to do is create some of these bracket things. We may not go back to the curve tool and spend a ton of time and make these really detailed brackets. We may cheat a little bit and just use some polygons and not worry too much if it looks exactly like this. So I'll see you in the next lesson.